Will is a young boy. He is 10 years old. He lives in a small town. Every day, Will goes to school. His school is big. It has many classrooms and a big playground. Will likes his school very much. Will wakes up early every morning. He eats breakfast with his family. He likes to eat bread and eggs. After breakfast, he takes his school bag. He walks to school with his friends, Tom and Ella. They talk and laugh on the way. When Will arrives at school, he goes to his classroom. His teacher is Miss Green. She is very kind. She helps the students with their work. Will likes Miss Green because she always smiles. One day, something strange happens. Will finds a note on his desk. The note says, "Find the secret in the library." Will is curious. Who wrote this note? What is the secret? Will tells his friends, Tom and Ella, about the note. They decide to go to the library together. The library is a quiet place with many books. Will likes to read books about adventures and mysteries. In the library, they look around. They see many books, but they do not see any secret. Then, Will sees a book with a red cover. The title of the book is The Secret Door. Will takes the book and opens it. Inside, he finds another note. It says, "Look behind the old map." Will and his friends look for the old map. They find it on the wall. It is a map of the world. It looks very old. Will carefully takes the map off the wall. Behind the map, they find a small door. The door is very small, just big enough for a child to enter. Will opens the small door. Inside, they see a staircase. It goes down into the dark. Will is a little scared, but he is also excited. He takes a deep breath and goes down the stairs. Tom and Ella follow him. At the bottom of the stairs, they find a hidden room. The room is full of old things. There are old books, old toys, and old pictures. Will looks around the room. He sees a picture of a boy. The boy looks like him. Will reads the name on the picture. It says, William, 1950. Will is surprised. Is this boy his grandfather? Will takes the picture and shows it to his friends. They are all surprised. Will takes the picture home. He shows it to his parents. His parents tell him a story. The boy in the picture is Will's grandfather. His name was also William. He loved to read books and solve mysteries. Will's parents say that his grandfather found the hidden room many years ago. He used to play in the room and read the old books. He kept it a secret because he wanted it to be a special place. Will is very happy. He found a family secret. He feels close to his grandfather. He decides to keep the secret room a secret, just like his grandfather did. Now, Will has a special place to read and think. He feels proud and happy. He knows that he will always remember this adventure. The story is over. Now let's do the test. Question 1. What does Will find on his desk one day? A book. B, a toy. C, a note. D, a picture. Answer is C, a note. Question 2. Who are Will's friends? A, Tom and Ella. B, Tom and Anna. C, John and Ella. D, John and Anna. Answer is A, Tom and Ella. Question 3. What is the title of the book Will finds in the library? A, The Secret Book. B, The Secret Door. C, The Old Map. D, The Hidden Room. Answer is B, The Secret Door. Question 4. Where do Will and his friends find the small door? A, behind the bookshelf. B, behind the old map. C, under the table. D, under the chair. Answer is B, behind the old map. Question 5. Who is the boy in the picture Will finds in the hidden room? A, his father. B, his brother. C, his uncle. D, his grandfather. Answer is D, his grandfather. Congratulations! You have successfully completed your English listening practice. You can like the video and subscribe to the channel for new English stories.